Hey guys, welcome to my page. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm going to 1,000 miles road trip to Philadelphia and New Jersey. Plus, I'm gonna be camping. I'm so excited. I have never camped in my whole entire life. It's currently 10:26 p.m. and it's my birthday. I'm about to take a shower and then we're gonna go pack up our stuff so we could get ready and we can be on our way. I'm excited. I took a nap. It's currently 4:20 a.m. I have very low energy because I just woke up, so don't mind. Let me show y'all the hair that I'm gonna be wearing. This right here is what I'm gonna be wearing. Ta-da! This is the hair that I'm gonna be wearing. It is so pretty. I feel so pretty and confident in a good old afro. For 5 hours now. We took a break for gas. He already filled up the car. He went to pee. Let me show y'all what I got in that gas station. A little food haul. I got me this soft croissant right here. I got this pumpkin spice Starbucks cappuccino. My boyfriend got a Bang energy drink for him to drink because he's driving. I'm the passenger princess. I might be driving in a minute though. And then he got a protein bar, cookie cream.
Short people.
I had a headache, so I had to stop at a gas station so I can get some Tylenol because my cold. I have a cold right now, and my cold is giving me a headache. I was a driver, now I'm back to being a passenger princess because that's who I am. Don't judge me. I actually got 2 of it. I already drank this one, and I do have this one left. I'm gonna drink this one later on tonight, just in case my head start hurting again. But for now, I'm gonna keep this one here. We have everything in the back: sleeping blankets, pillows, and clothes, and everything. So yeah, we still in Virginia. We're still in Virginia, right? Yeah, we're still in Virginia right now. We're driving down to Maryland. I'm getting real ashy right now. My face, my lips is getting dry. I'm gonna go ahead with my cocoa butter body lotion to moisturize up because it hurts my skin. I don't know about anybody else, but when I'm ashy, my skin hurts. Literally. I hate when my hands are dry. I like when my hands are moisturized and my knees are moisturized. I don't like any dryness on my skin. I came to the bathroom at the Burger King to pee because I really gotta pee. But they got the fit though. Very, very chilling. Very comfortable. Very body yaddy yaddy yaddy. After using the restroom, I got some fries and some chicken nugget because I was kind of hungry. I was getting to my limit where I was kind of really hungry. How many chicken nuggets is this, puppy? 8 chicken. Oh, that's a lot. That's more than 8.
It was either 4 or 8, so.
And
like
the God.
4 would have been.
No. Actually, it's more than 8. You probably put like 10 or 12 in there. Well, I guess more chicken nugget for me. We are at the camping sign right now. We're taking our map so we can be on our way. He's putting the camping light together so we can have light. I would give you a tour, but I can't because we don't have lights yet. This is a grill that we find. Very dirty that we're not gonna use at all. Oh, baby, look, come look at this, baby. We're not using that. Let's check the other one. We might use this.
Like, if we get some wood.
So this is like a fireplace. I wanna use this.
Okay. We'll have to pick up some wood.
Some woods tomorrow, yeah. So this is how we like it. I'll set up everything tomorrow. Okay, this is gonna be where we're gonna sleep. A little cozy, very comfortable spot. I can't really give you a full tour of the camping site because it's so dark right here and we came in too late anyway. But tomorrow morning when I wake up to get ready, I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all what the camping site look like. Right now I'm going to sleep. Good morning. It's currently Tuesday. We just woke up. It's still dark out here, but I still gotta get ready because I need to go to the DMV because my driver's license expires today. So let's get ready to go get my driver's license renewed and switch to Georgia.
When you're falling backwards and no one's catching you up, when your heart just shatters, too many pieces to pick it up, you keep finding a way just to live alone. Nothing to say, staring at your phone, and your life is going on.
You want the sandals now?
Yeah, and then when I'm in the gym, I'll just wear the shoes.
You don't want the shoes now?
No, the shoes would hurt my feet. Why are you saying shoes like that? Oh, Ethan, you mocking Ethan. You been saying, I'm like, why is he saying shoes like that?
You didn't catch on to that?
I did, but then like you like kept on saying it. So in my head, I'm thinking, this is how he says shoes. Does he say shoes like that? Okay, I'm done getting ready. Now we're gonna drive up to the DMV so I could renew my driver's license and switch the address to the place that I live now. And then I might just give y'all a tour tonight. Well, earlier before I go to sleep tonight, because we're gonna come back here on like 6 p.m. because I need to go see my best friend and I need to go eat out with her. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to the Amish market. Amish farm. It's a farm. It's an Amish farm. Huh?
I don't know. You said you want to go. So
Yeah.
I'm like, all right. I don't know what it is. I better not be disappointed.
Better not be too, cause I.
These Amish motherfuckers better impress.
Alright guys, I'll see y'all when I'm in the DMV or on my way to the DMV, because we're gonna go to Philly, because we're still in New Jersey right now. We haven't hit Philly yet, so I will see y'all later. We're in Philadelphia right now, and we at PennDOT over there, all the way down there. We're gonna get my driver's license situated, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna keep you all updated. Just got to the gym. I got my driver's license. Let me show y'all the picture that's in my driver's license, because this is criminal. This is the devil's work. Don't because they was trying to take picture with my hair like this, but it was like blocking the thing, so they had to kind of like make me do a freaking ponytail like this. No, please, no. Let me show y'all. This is freaking what I look like in my driver's license. Somebody call 911, because this is not okay. Alright, let's put on my shoes so we could go inside of the gym, and then we can go to my best friend's house so we can take a shower at my best friend's house. Okay guys, I just got to my best friend's house, and I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna get ready, and we can be out and about. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't seen my best friend in a year and a half. Like, what do you mean? Alright, let me take a shower because I'm sweaty from the gym, so I'll talk to y'all in a minute. This is my best friend, y'all. Yeah, period. We outside.
This little life. I think I like this little life. This silly little life.
Happy birthday! I just seen my best friend. It's time for me to leave now. I had a great day. I had an amazing day today. Now we're heading back to Home Depot because we need to buy some firewood, and then we're gonna head back to New Jersey, spend the night again because it's 2 days camping, and then we're gonna start driving back to Georgia.
Is mine all mine? Nothing in the world belongs to me but
camping site bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna switch up. I'm not gonna switch up my clothes. I'm gonna get myself situated, and then I'm gonna go back out. Actually a really nice bathroom though. It's not dirty, it's actually really clean. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'm done getting ready now. Let's go make breakfast so we could leave and be on our way. I'm so sad because I haven't seen my best friend in a while, and I don't even know when am I gonna see her again. But I always start seeing her, you know. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go make breakfast, and then we could leave and be on our way because I gotta see my son. I gotta go back home. I gotta see my son. I miss my son. Guys, camping is over. Now we're heading back home. I can't wait to see my son. I miss him so much. I can't wait to see Ethan. Mommy, my knees. My knees, mommy, my knees. And he start like humping, but my knees. Okay, I just got myself some coffee at Wawa, and I'm gonna eat my breakfast with the coffee. And then we're gonna start heading out. My boyfriend just left his coffee on top of the car and we almost drove off.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it
headache because in Atlanta there was like 2 car accidents and we stayed there for a while. Like, it was a headache, but I made it home and I'm about to go to sleep because I am extremely exhausted. It's been a whole day driving. I wasn't driving, my boyfriend was driving, but I was just sitting there, you know. Alright guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.